Hello everyone, welcome back again to Mufasuke channel with ZW3D basic tutorial how to create a 3D L pipe. First, I will create a new part. You can click new and then choose part assembly. You can click OK. Next, I will create sketch and I will use this XYZ plane. Okay, right axis. You can click here. And in here, I will create a line object. Start from this point, move to the right. With the length, I will set into 20 millimeter. Okay, and we create a line again. Start from this point to the top with length 20 millimeter. You can use fillet command to fillet at this two line object. You can click edit curve and then click fillet. Okay, I will fillet in these two line objects with a radius 10. You can click OK to apply. Now I will close sketch and then we can create a new sketch. You can click here sketch and I will use this green plane and you can click OK. In here I will create a circle object with a radius 5 and you can click OK to apply. Now we already create this two object. We can move this circle object into this point. You can click wireframe. And then we can use basic editing. You can use move tools. Okay, I will move this circle object from center point. In here we use this point to point option. You can click in here and we set in here in the center point and we can move into this point. You can click OK to apply. Now to convert this object into 3D models, we can use sweep command. You can click save and then I will click sweep command. For profile, you can click this circle profile, and for path, you can select this path. It will be create 3D models, and you can click OK to apply. Now to create hole in this 3D models, we can use seal command. You can click as edit shape and then click seal. Okay, for shape, I will select this object. For thickness in here, I will set into -1, and for open, you can click this face. And then we click again at this face. You can click OK to apply. I will create the sketch at this face. Okay, you can click sketch in here and then select at this face. You can click OK. Now in here I will create circle. Okay, we create circle. Start from this center point. I will set radius into 7. And next you can click OK to apply. I will create again circle. Okay, start from this point. And I will change radius into this point. Okay, we set into 4 for radius. Apply. We create the last circle. I will create start from this point. I will set radius into 0,5. Okay, this is 0,5. And I will set length from this center point into this point. You can click a constraint and I will use a quick dimension option. We click at the center point and move into this point. Okay, I will set for distance in here into 6 and you can click OK. Now we can use polar array to create a copy in this circle object. Okay, you can click sketch and then click basic editing. We can use this pattern command. Next, I will change into this circular pattern. For base, you can click this circle, and for center point, I will select in here center point. You also can change spacing in here into number and span, and I will set number into 6. For span angle, I will set into 360 degree. You can click OK to apply. Now we can close this sketch. Okay, we already created this sketch. I will use a copy command to copy this to this sketch. You can click a wireframe tab and then I will click basic editing. We can use a copy command. I will copy point to point. Okay, you can click at this point and then we can move into this point. You can click OK to apply. Now we can use a move command to rotate this to this sketch. Okay, I will use move command. And we click this rotate option, rotate entities. Okay, I will set direction into right axis. Okay, you can click here for right axis. And then we rotate with angle 90 degree. You can click OK to apply. Now we can use move command again to move this object. Okay, I will use point to point. We select at this point. Okay, you can click in here, click at this point, and then we can move into this point. Finally, we can convert this to sketch into 3D models by using extrude command. You can click save and then click extrude. We can select at this profile. We extrude in here into 2 and you can click OK. We extrude again this object with extrusion -2 and you can click OK to apply. Now we need to combine this all object. You can use add a shape. You can click here add shape, and then for base you select this base, and for add you can select these two object. You can click OK to combine. Now we already create this simple 3D models L pipe with ZW3D software. Okay, enough today for ZW3D basic tutorial how to create L pipe object. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video, and see you next time in another ZW3D basic tutorial.